How to fix paper feed issues for the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3201 to 3204, 3288, MFP 3301 to 3304, and 3388 printer series. If you are printing and a load paper in tray message displays on the printer control panel or an out-of-paper message displays on the computer and the printer does not pick paper from the input tray, then you might be experiencing paper feed issues. Follow the steps in this video to troubleshoot and fix the issue. After completing each step, try to use the printer again. If you are still experiencing the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Check the paper and then reload it. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. To check the paper quality, slide out the paper guides and then remove the stack of paper from the input tray. Remove any severely bent, wrinkled, or torn paper from the stack. Check for and remove any obstructions inside the main tray. Even small pieces of paper can cause paper feed issues. With both hands, hold the stack of paper and then tap the bottom edge of the stack on a flat surface so that the stack is even on all sides. Load the stack of paper back into the input tray. Slide in the paper guides until they rest against the edges of the paper. Close the input tray. Step 2. Clean the document feeder. This step only applies to models with an automatic document feeder, or ADF for short. If you are scanning or copying and the automatic document feeder picks up too many sheets of paper or it does not feed in the original, then cleaning it can fix this issue. To complete this step, gather the following items: a lint-free cloth and distilled water. Turn off the printer. Remove all paper from the document feeder tray. Open the document feeder access cover. Lightly dampen the cloth with the distilled water and then squeeze any excess liquid from the cloth. Use the cloth to clean the rollers and separator pad. Note, if the roller surface does not come clean with distilled water, a light amount of isopropyl alcohol can be used instead. Close the document feeder access cover. Step 3. Check the paper size and type settings. Depending on the settings, the printer might display an out-of-paper or tray empty error message, even if the input tray has paper loaded. Changing the paper size and type to the correct settings can fix this issue. For Windows computers, in the program you are trying to print from, click File and then Print. Click Properties. Depending on the software program, the button might also be Options, Printer Setup, Printer, or Preferences. Click the Paper Quality tab and then select the paper type from the Media drop-down menu. Select the correct paper size from the drop-down menu and then click OK. Click OK to apply the settings and then click Print. Change paper size and type settings are applied. For Mac computers, open the photo or document you want to print. Click File and then Print. Make sure your printer is selected. If you do not see options on the Print dialog box, click Show Details. Select your paper size from the Paper Size drop-down menu. Select the correct paper type from the Paper Type, Quality drop-down menu. Click Print. Changed paper size and type settings are applied. If you are using the HP Smart App to print, click either the Print Documents or Print Photos tile. Select the file you want to print and then click Print or Print Preview. From the preview screen, change the paper settings to match the size and type of paper loaded in the printer. When you are done, click Print or the print icon. Step 4. Print a cleaning page. Printing a fusor cleaning page can help resolve specks, smears, streaks, lines, or repeating marks. Load plain white paper into the input tray. Next, you need to open the Printer Embedded Web Server, or EWS for short. To do this, locate the printer IP address from the printer control panel. Enter the IP address in your web browser and hit Enter. If you receive a warning message that proceeding to the website is unsafe, select the option to proceed. Accessing the printer EWS will not harm your computer. The printer EWS opens. If you are using the HP Smart App to print, you can also access the printer EWS through the app. Select the printer image from the app home screen. Then, under Settings, select Advanced Settings. The printer EWS opens. Once you have reached the printer EWS, click Print Quality and then Tools. If you are prompted to enter a PIN, open the cartridge access door and enter the PIN displayed on the printer product label. In the Fuser cleaning area, click Print. The cleaning process begins. Step 5. Reset the printer. Resetting the printer can recover it from errors or failures. Press the power button to turn off the printer. If the printer does not turn off, disconnect the power cord from the printer. Unplug the power cord from the power source. Wait 60 seconds. Connect the power cord to a wall outlet. Note: HP recommends plugging directly into a wall outlet. Connect the other end of the power cord to the printer. Turn on the printer to complete the reset. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.